well, it's Sunday. And all the pieces, parts of my engine are sort of coming together. Let's check in with Mr. Larry and see what he's got cooking.
Go away.
That does not sound
Price
good.
doubles if you try to help.
Looks like he's putting on the intake manifold, if I'm not mistaken.
You are not mistaken, and well done, sir, for knowing that it is in fact the intake manifold.
Wow, it's amazing the things you learn standing around Mr. Larry. Well, not all the pieces, parts are together yet. This may look like sometime tomorrow before I have an engine that turns on. But in the meantime, still, lots of progress is being made.
We're getting there.
It hasn't looked this, engine-y in several weeks. So kudos to that.
It did take a little while to, for the parts to actually show up.
Minor details.
Well, there's that.
Yeah, there's that. So I'm going to leave you right there. Probably not going to have an engine that works today. It may or may not happen, although, I'm going to go with on the safe side of let's talk about this tomorrow. Besides, I still got a whole bunch of editing to do. Anyways, so there's your update for today. Thanks a bunch for watching. Hope it was interesting. Oh, yes, before I forget. If you could keep your support options in place for a couple of months, because when I leave here, well, yeah, I won't have any money. Thanks a bunch for watching. Look forward to seeing you somewhere on the road. Bye.